Alright, we're going to do another round of sound effects. This time the configuration is going to be Jeff and Leland right over there, with me and Chuck.
I'm Chuck.
In case you hadn't noticed. Me and Chuck being the sound effects, alright? I'm going to do sound effects for Jeff. Chuck's going to do sound effects for Leland.
Shouldn't we switch it up because...
Oh, fine, whatever.
Hey, helpful.
Alright, and your scene is...
Where are the extras? Where are they supposed to be?
We lost them.
You scared them off, man.
I think the director fired them.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Alright, your scene is... Space Station.
Yeah, Space Station. Take it away.
You're fighting the Martians.
I'm afraid I cannot let you do that.
I hate this stupid thing. Why don't we just go off the back door?
Yeah, that's way too complicated.
God, this will take forever.
Okay, we're good.
Unknown contamination in Deck 3A. Initiating acid bath.
Back in the elevator!
Acid shower complete. Thank you for your cooperation.
What was that? It was an acid bath. I don't know what happened.
Gas leak commencing.
What did you say?
I don't know. Maybe it'll repeat it.
Gas leak commencing.
Are we gonna be stuck here? We gotta fix this. I need some duct tape. Find some duct tape. I got duct
Quack,
tape.
quack, quack,
Where's the leak at?
quack.
Well, let's light something up and see where it is.
Quack, quack,
Okay,
quack,
here.
quack.
It's not flicking. It's not flicking.
Quack.
It's not. Oh, I gotta take the cap off. Sorry. Wait, that's a
Quack.
dog.
Quack.
Get a
Quack,
light.
quack, quack, quack.
Apparently I have Aflac. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Especially, maybe we should call them. Maybe they'll come get us. Yeah, let's here. Use my phone. Yeah, we're in the middle of the International Space Station, about to get attacked by aliens. We have a gas leak. Are we covered for this?
No, you're not.
What do you mean we're not covered for this? What the fuck kind of company are you?
We're gonna go out, might as well get drunk, right?
Yeah.
Can we go find some Martians, have a party?
Yeah, maybe they're friendly, right?
Here, you go down first. No, I don't want to go down first. Okay, right, baby.
One of you go down first.
Best of three? Alright, best of three. Okay, here, just help me out with this board.
Help me out with this board! Help me out with this board! You're going down first! I
don't
want to die! I don't want to die!
Flop.
Hey, that sucks for you.
And scene.